Hello everybody. Few days ago, I built this Lego train piston. It works, and also I can't unconnect it to the wheel, so I connect it to this thing. Look, this thing go forward and backward, just like on a normal train, and this thing can be like this. These part, and also over here it spins, but I need to use two, because if I use one, this happen. Look, when I want to spin, see, this happen. So instead I use two, and then I put it right at the corner here, so it become like this, and then I put this thing so it can connect here, there, so it can spin. At the inside here, I just cover it. I actually put a black stuff over here. You can see it just a bit. Can you see it? Black stuff inside too, so it doesn't go forward and backward. It just need to go like this. And I built three more stuff. A hover car with boosters, lights, and also chairs, and a floaty boat, and a fish. I call it a police fish. It's called the police fish. Look, and we can put this blue stuff here to make it like ooh. Like that. Look, it has a police sign over here, and then this is what it normally look like. We put this thing under here, and then we put oh, and one more thing. There's the hover car. This is how it gets the light. First it's like this. Then under we need to push at these two dots. We need to push, and then look, it can go here. And then when it go here, it turns into lights. It's a hover car. It looks like the one you see in YouTube in ads. You can see it there. Look, it can hover. And then to make it turn into a booster, to make it turn into a chair, we just hold the blue stuff, put it down back, and then here. Look, wait, I just need there. This is how we put it. First, we need to take out one of this white stuff. Then we need to take out this black stuff. Then we put her right. We put her just about here, like this. Then we need to put her right here. Then put back this. Then you need to never mind. We need to put that there. Make sure it's all straight, because soon I'm going to show you a building tutorial how to build it. There, we just put any kind of character, your favorite character, or the one it suits in a hover car. I put seat belts. Look, there's a gap over here that we can put our character legs. This is the seat belt. We put it right here, and then you can see the leg under. Put it like this, and look. Now I'm going to show you a tutorial how to build it. Anyway. Okay. Bye. Bye. Next video, I'm going to show you a tutorial. Bye.